Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the HENMI bicycle valve adapter set. Nearly all valves adapters for bicycle, for cars valves. It's an adapter which is compatible to French valve with a sorting box. For air pump adapter, a ball needle and compressor valve adapter. You see, nearly everything is included because this is an everyday helper. The extensive range of valve adapters includes adapters for car valves, AV, French valves, SV, and Dunlop valves, DV. So they fit perfectly on nearly all standard valves. And it's universal. This set of valve and compressor adapters fits all air pumps and is versatile for bicycle, cars, scooters, balls, air mattresses, and more. This is a basic equipment for every household. It's compact and portable. The valve adapter set comes in a clear sorting box. It weighs only 78 grams, easy to carry and easy to store, all of which can be safely stored in the assorted storage box, and tight and robust. The bicycle valve adapter is made of high quality brass, which gives it a long service life and a high robustness. The box content is big. We have 8 adapters for DV, SV, and AV, 2 ball needles, 4 bicycle valve caps, 1 pump adapter, 2 cone adapters, and 4 sealing rings. So, nearly everything is included what you need every day. HENMI is committed to creating unique experience for commuters and touring cyclists through the innovative equipment. They want to help riders like us enjoying cycling with more comfort. Thanks to the trust of the customers, the global sales volume has exceeded over 100,000 per year. And we have a bike valve adapter, applications adapter for DV, SV, and AV, bikes, cars, scooters, balls, air mattresses, and more. It comes from Shenzhen. It is made of the Elton Technology CO Ltd in Halcon Village. And we can use this for everyday use if we have props with our bicycle to repump the tire, for example, or we have props or we have to inflate a car tire. It is possible to make it easier with that bicycle valve adapter set because our pump, which we are going to use, maybe has not the right fitting for it, and you can use such a valve adapter to build the right adapter set for it. So that means maybe you will have a prop to reach the valve, so you can get these bicycle valve adapters into position, and then you can evacuate or repump or inflate the tires so much easier than old school. Here included there is an extension tube which it's bendable, so you can easy peasy build your valve adapter as you need it, right, if you need it, of course. And then you can easy peasy pump up with a compressor or with a hand pump, with a stand pump, or what you have. This is the HENMI bicycle valve adapter set. It's an all valve adapter for bicycle, cars, and so on. Include French valve. Thanks for watching. Dunlop valve and car valve and so many other valves. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.